All right, windshield is out, and they're going to put the new one in here shortly. You know, I swear to God, I was recording something before, and the guy didn't
Sí, claro. La gaveta del trailer. Acá.
So I'm going to walk a little closer here. Get a look at some of the... Looks pretty weird without the windshield, don't you think? I kind of like it without the windshield. It's kind of a nice look.
Let me know, man.
Like convertible. Just get the wind in your hair, right?
Yeah, the bugs.
Are we the only one you guys are doing today, or you got another job?
We did that one. We did a 2-piece before coming over here and 4 yesterday on the way over here.
Oh, the 2-piecers?
Yeah, we did 6.
Divided down the middle?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is our last one out of a 2-day route.
Nice. Where are you guys out of? What town?
Cape Canaveral.
Oh, okay. That's a
Like
good...
Rockledge, right next to them.
That's a good drive.
Yeah. But we came yesterday. We started by Bradenton and worked our way down.
Nice.
Did 6 on the way over here.
Sheesh. Nice weather. A little warm though.
Yeah, it is.
For this time of year especially. All right, here we go. Here they go, folks. Part of me just wants to go over there and help them, but I know they know what they're doing. Well, now I can't drive anymore. I don't want to get a rock chip.
No, that's what happened when we did mine. 3 in one day.
It fit. It fit. It's a miracle. They're beating up the windshield.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. So let's give a shout out to the people who did all this work over here. Came all the way from West Coast or the East Coast of Florida. So Auto, haRVey, and Auto Glass. All right, everybody, there you have it. New windshield for haRVey.
Yay!
A few $1,000. Could have done it without my dad's help. Appreciate that, Daddy-o. So I'll try not to get a rock chip. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that exciting entertainment. Connie sure did.
Yes, I did.
So what do they do with the glass? Do they recycle it?
No, there's only 2 places in the United States. One is in Indiana and one is in California. And there's a plastic piece somewhere in the glass,
There they go.
so they have to throw it away. It
There-
can't be recycled.
There was a plastic piece in the glass.
Somewhere, yeah.
Wonder what that was.
I don't know. No, he said that in the glass there's...
Oh, I see. Alrighty. Bye, everybody.
Bye.